This next feature gives you a new level of control over how the camera decides when to switch between day and night mode. It's called light measurement mode, and it does exactly what the name says. It lets you choose which source the camera uses to measure light when making that day-night decision. There are two options. The first is image sensor. The camera reads the light level directly from its own image. What the lens sees is what drives the switch. If the scene looks bright, the camera stays in day mode. If the image gets dark, it switches to night. The second is hardware sensor. This uses a dedicated physical light chip on the face of the camera. It measures the ambient light in the environment around the camera, not what the camera is looking at. Why does this matter? Here's a real example. A camera mounted on the ceiling of an underground car park, physically sitting in darkness. The lens is zoomed in toward the entrance, so the entire image the camera captures is the bright street outside. Nothing dark is in the frame at all. With the hardware sensor method, the camera reads the dark ambient light around its own body and switches to night mode, even though every pixel it's recording is a bright daylight scene. With the image sensor method, the camera looks at its own image, sees brightness, and correctly stays in day mode. That's the difference. Same camera, same installation, completely different result depending on which method you choose.